Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa inilabas na advisory ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Mengay Benta Slot Paluwagan o New Mengs Paluwagan. Mga kababayan, umiwas na po kayo dyan sa mga benta slots na yan, yung mga paluwagan na yan, yung mga iwi na yan, dahil yung mga on-pal o online paluwagan, mga benta slot at mga iwi or invest, wait and earn po ay mga Ponzi scams po yan. Based on the reports and information gathered by the Commission, Mengay Benta Slot Paluwagan or New Mengs Paluwagan headed by Naomi Grace de Guzman Hernandez is soliciting investments from the public. As posted online, Naomi Grace de Guzman Hernandez is offering investments to the public in the form of paluwagan slots or cash benta slots. So yung minimum daw dyan sa Mengay Benta Slot Paluwagan or New Mengs Paluwagan ay 1,000 pesos. At ang pangako ng kitaan daw dyan ay 210% o 225% income sa loob lamang daw ng 15 days. So double your money sa loob lang ng 15 days. So mga ganyang double your money sa loob lang na isang buwan o katulad po niyan 2 linggo ay scam po yan. Wag po kayo magpapaniwala dyan sa mga ganyang pangakong kitaan. Yun yang double your money sa loob ng isang buwan ay nagkakaproblema, tumataob. Lalo na po yan na 15 days lang ay madodoble daw ang pera mo. Mengay Benta Slot Paluwagan or New Mengs Paluwagan offers different paluwagan slots with corresponding names. Meron yang Complan Megan, Complan Iced Tea, may Complan Sabon. Tapos meron ding iba't ibang income at inconsistent maturity periods. There is no certain computation or matrix on how much income is given per amount invested. The public is being made aware that an investment contract exists when there is an investment or placement of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others, which is prominent in the scheme of Mengay Benta Slot Paluwagan or New Mengs Paluwagan. As such, the Securities Regulation Code or SRC requires that said offer and sale of securities must be duly registered with the Commission and that the concerned entity and or its agents should have the appropriate registration and or license to sell such securities to the public. Based on the Commission's database, Mengay Benta Slot Paluwagan or New Mengs Paluwagan is not registered as a corporation or a partnership with the Commission. So hindi po nakarehistro yung Mengay Benta Slot Paluwagan o yung New Mengs Paluwagan bilang isang korporasyon o bilang isa pong partnership. Yan po ay talagang isang scam at wala din po yung secondary license. So yung Mengay Benta Slot Paluwagan or New Mengs Paluwagan has not secured prior registration and or license to solicit investments from the Commission prescribed under Section 8 and 28 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC. Further, the scheme employed by Mengay Benta Slot Paluwagan or New Mengs Paluwagan shows indication of a possible Ponzi scheme where monies from new investors are used in paying fake profits to prior investors and is designed mainly to favor its top recruiters and prior risk takers and is detrimental to subsequent members in case of scarcity of new investors. The offering and selling of securities in the form of investment contracts using the Ponzi scheme, which is fraudulent and unsustainable, is not a registrable security. The Commission will not issue a license to sell securities to the public to persons or entities that are engaged in this business or scheme. Moreover, RA number 11765 or the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act or FCPA prohibits the commission of investment fraud, defined as any form of deceptive solicitation of investments from the public which includes Ponzi schemes and such other schemes involving the promise or offer of profits or returns sourced from the investments or contributions made by the investors themselves and the offering or selling of investment schemes to the public without a license or permit from the SEC. At pinalalahanan nga ng SEC ang publiko na wag na mag-invest at tumigil na nga sa pag-invest sa mga investment scheme na ino-offer ng Mengay Benta Islat Paluwagan or New Mengs Paluwagan, pati na rin ang mga representatives niyan. So kung kayo po ay nakapag-invest na dyan, humingi na po kayo na refund. At kung kayo po ay nagbabalak sumali dyan nga po sa Mengay Benta Islat Paluwagan o New Mengs Paluwagan, ay wag na po kayo sumali. At kung kayo po ay nagbabalak sumali sa kahit na ano pang mga benta slot paluwagan, mga online paluwagan, mga on-pal, mga iwe or invest wait and earn, wag na po kayo sumali dyan. Dahil yan po ay mga scams, yan po ay mga Ponzi scams. Mari sa umpisa ay makatanggap kayo ng payout dahil pinapadama kayo, pero sigurado po sa huli, tatakbuhan po kayo niyang. Mga kababayan, mag-ingat na po kayo dyan sa mga Ponzi scams na yan. Marami po yan. May mga crypto scams, yung mga benta slots, meron din yung mga apps, 'di ba? Mga app o website, tapos mga too good to be true ang pangakong kitaan. Basta po ang pangakong kitaan ay double your money sa loob lamang ng isang buwan, ay dapat po iwasan po ninyo yan. Huwag po kayo magpapaniwala doon sa mga pambobola na mga uplines, mga recruiters, dahil ang habol lang nila ay yung DRB o direct referral bonus. Babala po para sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, agents, representatives, promoters, recruiters, uplines, influencers, endorsers, abettors, and enablers of Mengay Benta Islat Paluwagan or New Mengs Paluwagan in selling or convincing people to invest in the investment scheme being offered by the said entity, including soliciting investments or recruiting investors through the internet, may be held criminally liable under Section 11 of the FCPA and Section 28 of the SRC, which are both penalized separately with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or imprisonment of 21 years or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. At yung mga pangalan nga ng mga involved dyan sa Mengay Benta Islat Paluwagan at New Mengs Paluwagan ay ire-report po ng SEC sa Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR para nga sa mga kaukulang multa at buwis na dapat bayaran. Kung kayo ay may impormasyon tungkol nga sa operasyon ng Mengay Benta Islat Paluwagan o New Mengs Paluwagan, pati na rin sa representatives niyan, ay pwede nyo pong isend ang inyong report sa EIPD sa kanilang email na epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong September 26, 2023. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.